If you've been sitting on the idea of starting a business for more than 6 months, this video is for you. Not because it'll motivate you for 48 hours, because it'll show you something specific, something real, and something you can actually start this week. 7 Home Businesses, 2026. Let's get into it. Number 1, wall art business. Here's something most people walk past every single day without thinking about it. The posters on the walls, the framed quotes in offices, the prints above someone's desk. Somebody designed those, somebody listed those, somebody got paid for those. In 2026, that somebody could be you. You design motivational quotes, discipline, focus, success, mindset, and turn them into digital print files. List them as instant downloads. Someone buys, they print it themselves, you get paid. Zero inventory, zero shipping, zero storage. You take those same designs and upload them to Printify or Printful. Now they become physical posters, framed prints, canvas art, shipped directly to the customer without you touching a single thing. One good design can sell hundreds of times. A well-optimized shop with 30 to 50 designs, $1,500 to $3,000 a month is completely realistic. Startup cost? Canva is free. A listing is 20 cents. Number 2, talking parrot breeding. This one stops people every single time, but once you see the numbers, you'll understand immediately why it's here. Talking parrots, African greys, cockatiels, budgies, ringnecks are in constant demand. Hand-raised, well-socialized babies sell for anywhere between $200 and $2,000, depending on the breed. You start with one breeding pair. You hand-raise the chicks so they're tame, comfortable with people, genuinely interactive. That's exactly what makes them worth significantly more. One successful clutch of 3 to 4 chicks, that's $3,000 to $6,000 from a single pair in a single year. This takes patience. You're not selling birds in month 1. But by month 6, with your first clutch raised and ready, the return is unlike almost anything else on this list. Real quick, before we keep going, think about which of these 2 fits your actual situation right now. Do you have creative time? Go with wall art. Do you have space and patience? Parrots might be your thing. Because the best business isn't the most profitable one on this list. It's the one that actually fits your life. Keep that in mind as we go through the rest. Number 3, camping gear rental. Thousands of people want to go camping every single year, but they don't want to spend $800 on gear they'll use maybe twice, so they just don't go until someone offers to rent it to them. That's your entire business. Build a collection of quality camping gear, tents, sleeping bags, portable stoves, lanterns, and coolers. Around $1,000 to $1,500 to build a solid starter inventory. A full weekend camping kit rents for $80 to $150 per trip. Rent it out 8 times a month, and that's $640 to $1,200 in revenue from equipment that just sits in your garage between rentals. Your inventory works for you around the clock. While you sleep, eat, and live your life, your gear is out there making money. Number 4, aquarium fish breeding. This one is for people who already love fish, because if you do, there's a real chance you're sitting on a business right now without realizing it. Rare and exotic freshwater fish are in serious demand. Guppies, betta fish, discus, neon tetras. Pet stores buy them, hobbyists buy them, online buyers buy them constantly. A single pair of high-grade betta fish can produce 200 to 300 fry per spawn. At just $3 to $5 per fish, that's $600 to $1,500 from a single breeding cycle. The startup costs are around $200 to $400 for tanks and basic equipment. And once your breeding stock is established, the fish reproduce on their own. This is one of the only businesses where your product literally restocks itself. Okay, pause for a second. I know exactly what's going through your head right now. This all sounds great, but does it actually work? Answer is yes, but only for people who don't quit in week 2. There was a guy working night deliveries, setting up fish tanks during the day. 6 months later, he shut down the deliveries. The fish breeding had replaced the income. The struggle was real. The result was real. None of these will make you rich in 30 days. Anyone telling you that is lying. But 4 months of genuine effort, that's where everything starts to shift. Number 5, bounce house and inflatable rental. Every single weekend, somewhere near you, there's a birthday party, a school event, a neighborhood gathering, and someone is desperately searching bounce house rental near me. That someone could be finding your listing instead. One commercial bounce house costs around $1,500 to $2,500 to buy. You rent it out for $150 to $300 per day. Do 8 rentals a month, and you're looking at $1,200 to $2,400 from one inflatable. Most people in this business own 3 to 5 units within their first year because the demand is consistent every single weekend. The income is predictable, and the actual work is dropping something off and picking it up. Get 10 solid 5-star reviews, and your calendar fills itself. Number 6, homemade skincare products. People are genuinely done with chemical-packed products from faceless corporations. They want to know exactly what's going on their skin, and they will pay real premium prices for something that feels handmade, natural, and honest. Body butters, sugar scrubs, lip balms, natural soaps, face serums, made at home, sold on Instagram and local markets. A body butter that cost you $3 to make sells for $18 to $25 without anyone blinking. But here's what makes skincare specifically powerful. When someone finds a product that actually works for their skin, they don't stop buying it. You're not making a one-time sale. You're building a repeat customer who comes back every single month. The startup cost is around $150 to $300 for ingredients and basic packaging. Show real results on Instagram, and this business grows through pure trust. Before the last one, mentally lock in your answer. Which idea has clicked the hardest so far? You'll know why I'm asking in just a moment. Number 7, homemade food and meal prep service. Not a restaurant, not a catering company. A local subscription model for busy people who just want real home-cooked food. You cook in batches, portion the meals, deliver locally, or set up a simple pickup system. Busy families subscribe to weekly meals. They pay up front, you cook exactly what you know you're selling. Everyone wins. Charge $80 to $150 per week per family. Get just 10 consistent subscribers? That's $800 to $1,500 every single week. And because it's subscription-based, you know exactly how much to cook, exactly how much you're earning every week, without guessing. No waste, no slow months, no starting from zero. Start with 3 families from your own neighborhood. Let the food speak for itself. Word spreads faster in this business than almost any other, because everyone knows someone who wishes they didn't have to cook. Here's the truth about every single one of these. None of them makes you rich in 30 days. Anyone telling you otherwise is selling you something. But pick the right one, give it real effort for 3 to 4 months, and you'll build something that genuinely pays you from the place you already live. No commute, no boss, no office politics, no asking for permission. Just a business that runs from your home on your terms. Wall art, parrots, camping gear, fish breeding, bounce houses, skincare, meal prep. One of those just clicked for you in a way the others didn't. That's not random. That's the one. Go build it. Now drop a comment, just one number. Which idea was it? 1, 4, 7? Tell me. I actually read them. And if you want more ideas like this every week, real businesses, real numbers, zero fluff, subscribe. We'll see you in the next one.